What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Chulo. Pam, pa, pam. Today we are going to make lasagna. I have been craving lasagna, like I'm always craving something, but lasagna is something I want to make tonight, so it's going to be amazing. The items that we're going to need, obviously, is a pound and a half or 2 pounds of ground beef, which is already thawed, ready to start cooking in a few minutes. I have a half a block of mozzarella cheese, already shredded. I love cheese. Although I'm lactose intolerant, I already said that before in my previous videos. It's okay. We're going to use a can of crushed tomatoes. This is the one with basil. This is really good crushed tomato sauce. We have about 6 mushrooms, nice and chopped, nicely chopped. We have about 3 cloves of garlic. My house smells already, and it smells so good, and I haven't even started cooking yet. I have 1 red bell pepper chopped up. I have 1 red onion chopped up, and I also have some basil, some fresh basil, because we're gonna mince this and put it into the sauce towards the end. So you're gonna bring those flavors out from the basil. We're gonna use cayenne pepper. We're gonna use Italian seasonings. We are going to use onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna use oregano and some sriracha salt. Yes, I love spicy sriracha salt. Now the cayenne pepper, people ask, oh, why cayenne pepper? If you add cayenne pepper to the sauce when it's cooking, oh my god, I love spicy lasagna. I love spicy foods in general, but spicy lasagna is really, really good. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. And then we have the ricotta cheese that we're gonna mix into the meat. Some people put it in layers and put it with the lasagna. We're gonna mix it all into the sauce, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Then we have a box of lasagna, number 125. This is gonna be great. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I wish I was like already halfway through the video so that I can like shove my fat mouth with lasagna. I was supposed to get bread because I wanted to make some garlic bread with it. I didn't have time to get it, and it's too much to make the fresh bread right now. I'm gonna make fresh bread tomorrow probably. I'm gonna show you that video also. So we're gonna go ahead and start heating up the skillet to add the ground beef and then start adding the seasoning. So follow along. Now that the sauce is cooked, let me tell you something. It is so good. Look at that sauce. Look at that sauce. And it smells so good. I will be layering the lasagna. See a little piece of basil on the bottom? This is why I say shred a couple of leaves of basil in there while it's cooking. Because then also what we're going to do is shred some more basil and place it on the top while we're layering each layer, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. The sauce. Mmm. Jesus, this is good. Mmm. We got the onions and peppers. And I forgot to mention earlier, to balance out the acidity from the sauce while it's cooking, you would add like 2 or 3 tablespoons of, I would add brown sugar, but I added white sugar because I didn't have any brown sugar. The sauce is so good. Oh my God, this is good. It has that, I added some more cayenne pepper. As you're cooking this, while you're cooking the sauce, you can add whatever you want to add, you know, just to make it your own. But I added a little more of cayenne pepper. I love spices, like I said. And man, it has a perfect kick because you can taste the cayenne pepper after. All right, so we're gonna let that sauce cool off a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and strain these the pasta noodles out. Let that cool off, and then we're gonna layer the lasagna. Be right back. I'm hungry. Can't wait. All right, we're about to layer the lasagna. So here's a little trick that I've learned with the basil. When you take the basil, you take them off the stems, and you stack them up together. We're gonna roll them up, and then slice them. And this is what we're going to use to sprinkle in between each layer, and especially on top of the crust or on top of the lasagna. So let's save those for the last. I'm going to take these, roll these up. You roll them up. It makes it so much easier. Alright, you see how you have them all, they're like long little shreds. That's the best part. So I'm going to go ahead and push this to the side real quick. So we can go ahead and put the mozzarella on the side as well. So I forgot to turn on the oven because I was so fat and hungry. I just completely forgot to turn on the oven. You want to preheat your oven for 350 degrees, and once it's ready, you will go ahead and pop in your lasagna. Don't mind the baking dish because I'm always cooking, so it looks like a hot mess. And you're gonna cook that lasagna for about 45 minutes. Get the top nice and melted, and we will be back when it's all done. Ooh, I'm gonna shove my face in there. It is so good. You know what? I think I'm gonna add a little bit more basil on top. How about that? Alright, now that the lasagna has cooked for 45 minutes, I let it sit for about a good 10 minutes, and we are going to check it out. Oh, let me tell you something. I am starving. I cannot wait to try this out. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells super riquissimo. Alright. Oh my god, I'm hungry. Who's hungry with me? Are y'all ready to eat? Ah, that's right. Look at that. Ooh, Lord, look at that creamy lasagna. Ooh. Always wait until it cools off. I could never wait. Ooh, Lord. That's so good. Look at that cheese. And it has a perfect kick. Look at that lasagna. It has a perfect kick, guys. I freaking love it. I can't wait to test this out. Alright, so here we go. This is, oh my god. Ooh, I can't wait. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese, guys. Look at that. Look at that lasagna. Guys, once again, this is amazing. Thank you so much once again, everybody. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button on the corner there. I will be updating new videos shortly, little by little. Thank you so much. Stay humbled, stay blessed. Namaste. Guys, who wants some? Come and get it.